countdown.
Guess we won't initiate yet then.
No, we're just...
I'm gonna build a nuclear device, that's what I'm gonna do. That's what happens, Chris. That's what happens.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Hurry up.
You're gonna nuke some fucking AI, just created people. I don't even want to do it, but it might give me enough points, you know, get to where I need to be.
God, Ethan, I hate you. If we lose this, this is on him.
Wow, he's not, like, he's playing a game right now and he went AFK?
Yeah.
Classic Ethan.
I swear, man. If we lose because Ethan fucked this up.
Well, I don't know how many raids we did in fucking,
Wow.
you know, back in the mid 2000s when Burning Crusade was out.
How many
We
times you
literally,
left?
like, went to take a dump while we were fighting a boss.
Oh my God. They're here. They're here. Hide, hide, hide.
Yep. Why would you be playing?
Let's see if they walk by. Hold up.
Enemies?
Hey, wait, wait, wait. Be quiet. Be quiet. Oh my God. No fucking way. They just ran past us. My butthole. Oh my God.
They just shot you and just
No!
let you...
Close. Rings nearby.
They just ran.
Bush, man.
They ran right past us. Oh my God. Shut up. Shut up. Seriously, shut up. Shut up. Oh my God.
45 seconds. Ring's not too far. I'm okay with
Ethan,
that.
please get back. Oh my God. Shut up! Holy shit! Oh my
3-0,
God.
rings close.
Shit, are we still on?
God damn it, Ethan! They literally, we have a story to tell once this
Barely.
is over. We literally.
Fuck, you're playing a game and
All
you
right,
went
he's back,
AFK,
he's
you
back.
stupid fuck.
Hurry up! Hurry up!
10
Get back! Get
seconds.
back! Get back!
I know, I know. Alright.
You, once we finish this, whether win or lose, we have a story to tell.
Okay, I'm back.
You. Why did you fire? Oh my God, you dick!
Okay, I'm buying another settler.
Wake up.
Care
Ring's
what it
moving.
costs.
They literally, we hid where you hid, and there was a whole squad that ran right past us.
Seriously?
No shit. Like, oh my God, man.
Watch your right.
Yeah, Chris was really worried.
Dude, that is fucking awesome.
He
I
told
love
me
it.
to be quiet.
I was trying.
Fucking, like...
Sorry, no, I didn't mean it that way. I'm just saying, like, we were trying to listen. We were listening.
That's how crazy it was.
Literally, no, they were literally right next to us. Like, whatever. Focus right now. Focus right now. Focus.
I'm not
Yeah.
talking to
It
them.
looks small.
Oh shit, they see
I
me.
haven't done anything.
Just wait, just wait. Fuck me, man. Really? This
We're
is how this
stuck
shit-
here now. We have to make a run.
This shit's how it's gonna fucking end. No, they're fighting each other now. Nope, they're off in the distance. These guys are still coming up on us.
I'm moving.
Target
Fuck
spotted.
that.
Alright, follow Bird.
That's where I'm set.
Only 2 enemy squads remain. I love it.
There's one squad up on the fucking here,
Let's
and
check
then
out over
another
there.
squad ran over here.
Yeah.
I need 2 more points. Like fucking, I don't know how many turns. Does a jet fighter give you any points?
No. Oh, if you're the first to
Sending out
build
a
it, it
decoy.
does.
Yep, they're on the bridge there.
No, that'll take 6
Overlook
turns.
or whatever the fuck it is. There's
1
a
minute
portal
until
right over
close.
here.
Rings nearby. Portal here.
Let's take it. Let's take it.
All right, go.
Oh, someone just dropped down.
Enemy spotted.
Someone just dropped down.
One squad left.
They're healing up on the top of the fucking overlook.
I got a bad guy.
Closing in. Closing out this stupid.
Oh, contact.
One's down.
Hitting me. Reloading.
Reloading.
10 seconds. The ring's basically knocking on the door.